These videos are about a trip with the Sailing Kayak Nomad to the place that really inspired me to design and build it, which is the Florida Keys.
Doors that would not let you in, outcast and a stranger. You have come by way of sorrow, you have come by way of tears, but you'll reach your destiny. Meant to find you all these years, meant to find you all these years.
In the first episode, drove down from winter in Columbus and stopped for a day and a half of sailing in Wakulla on the Gulf Coast. In this episode, move on down around to Bonita Springs, get some sailing in on Estero Bay and a new spot for me, San Carlos Bay, ride a tune, and swing on around and pick up Deb at Miami Airport and head on down to Key Largo. Enjoyed my stay here one more time. Time to get on the road further south. Fog's finally lifting. Sun's starting to come up. Driving should get here now. It's a beautiful little spot. Back to I-75. Alright, that little grueling last leg almost done. 4 miles to the exit to Bonita Springs. What I've noticed is delightful contrast up there on the panhandle from Ohio, but now we're going to be in full-on summer. Palm trees. If I can get checked into the hotel, we can head on over to Estero Bay and see if we can get on the water. Yay! Home base for the next 2 days up in here. To Estero Bay. If I remember right, the launch place is it right here? I think this is it. I can back up, roll in, and we caught the high tide too. Okay. Mangroves. Lots of tide and lots of shallows. But I'm pretty sure I remember right. See, there's a shallow. I remember cutting the corner, I think, on that guy once. So I'm gonna get out here a bit, start reaching around. There's some sunfish. Seen them out here before. They typically sail around with their dagger boards half up too. There are manatees and I hear dolphins in here. I've seen manatees but never a dolphin back in here. Run some big long reaches up and down through the middle of this. And just love being here. Just running clouds moving out. I don't know what the wind will do. Could ramp up, could calm down. There's where we left from. Hobie sailor. I'm reading my little map right, if I follow along that channel until I open up a view to our little cove, hug that, keeping close on my starboard side, sail down somewhere around there. Ooh, that was a manatee or a dolphin. I think I got upper rudder depth here. Alright. I love mangroves. Margarita time. I think what I'm going to do is try a different launch spot. It's a causeway over to Sanibel Island that looks like it would go out onto some deeper water. A nice moderate breeze forecast, should be fine in less sheltered area. That's a view. Hoping is the first one of the islands this causeway hits, I can get off and launch off a beach and get out into that sound there, which would be right up here. Wow, what a gorgeous breeze. What a great spot. Alright, let's see if we can get launched. Rudder's down, daggerboard's down. But the breeze is shifting from east to south. That'll be perfect, just reaching around in here. Thinking about sailing all the way over to Sanibel. Gotta make sure this tide's not gonna screw with me too bad. It's going out through there and you can see it, the wakes behind those bridge piers. But I don't, oops. Hello, sorry to get so close to you. I think it's out here this far, plus the wind's going to remain from that direction. Coming up on Sanibel Island. Never been there before. That's Sanibel. Close enough to say I'm here. The question is, should I try to duck in the inlet, get the rig down, and go ashore? I'll try to beat up just a little bit more and get a good look down inside it, see what it's like. It might have been nice back in there, but coming back out here and getting underway again. Let's work our way back across. Almost back to my island. I'm thinking the tide should be flooding now. I'm going off the time for Estero Bay on the chart. I didn't look it up out here. It should be pretty close. Just perfect sailing. Wet foredeck and almost never popping the sheet. Yeah, definitely flood tide. Look at my bearing. I'm getting pushed. There's the car. Guess it's time to put the rig on. Time to pack up and begin phase 2 of this trip, picking up Deb at Miami Airport and heading on down to the Keys. I might have a new tune, and I loved the sail yesterday. New spot for me. Back on the road around 75 to pick up Deb at Miami Airport. I've got a couple hours on this Big Cypress access points along I-75 as it cuts east-west. I've explored a couple of them in the past. I don't think I've been to this one, so we'll take a little hike here. That's a good-sized gator right there. I don't think I want to get any closer than that. He's turned to watch the trail since I came by initially. Bye, buddy. It's like a little museum fitting. Yay! There's me wife. Hi, you.
Hey!
The blue divider means you're getting close. Signs to Key Largo. Konakai. Oh yeah. That's just like we were here yesterday.
It is lovely. Lovely place.
What a treat. Thanks for watching. Next we go on to our wonderful stay at Konakai on Key Largo. Some paddling, including some manatee encounter, some reef diving, and some of my favorite sailing.
We've been taken by the wind. You have known the kiss of silence. Doors that would not let you in. Outcast and a stranger. You have come by way of sorrow. You have come by way of tears. But you'll reach your destiny. Meant to find you all these years. Meant to find